Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Creations, and we're back for 100 days of Halloween. And I'm sorry I did not make a video. Time got away from me yesterday. I was still feeling really tired, so time got away from me. Let's talk about everything, and then I have Happy Meal. Um, First, the first movie, night before last, was Scooby Doo 2. And I made, because Scooby Doo, they be fighting monsters and ghosts, and I did a ghost. So I made these little monsters. They're supposed to have horns, but honestly they were so tiny that just couldn't work them. And so I got some little one-eyed monsters. This is made with that Speckles, new Speckles Red Heart yarn. This one's a Red Heart Ombre and Sour Apple. The white is just some white was given me that doesn't have a ball band. This blue is just a ball I had of something, and I decided to make the arms and the pupil match. And then this white's the same white as this, and then the black is mainstay. So anyway, I love them. I just think they're so cute. Adorbs. And then last night's movie, which I did not post it. If you want to watch it, it's called The Satanic Rites of Dracula, and it's on Freebie. Scooby-Doo 2 is on Tubi, and it's leaving soon if you want to watch the Scooby movies on there. Okay, The Satanic Rites of Dracula on Freebie. And for that movie, because Dracula, you think of bats, I made this cute bat. Now, it's not exactly how it's supposed to be, because he's supposed to have little... It's not supposed to be smooth right here, but I couldn't get it. My stitch count was wrong. So I just put him together like this, and I didn't give him a mouth. I absolutely love him. He may be the best thing I've crocheted so far. I will try to remember to put the links down below for these patterns. But I will make another one of these, and maybe next time I'll be able to get the wings a little better. I did not do him. He's done in velvet yarn, I think, or blanket yarn, and I just did him in worsted weight mainstay black, and I think he's adorable, and I gave him little red eyes, and I love him. And he may have to be a permanent. I may make another one to try to sell, because he may stick around. He may be in the background quite often. So there you go. There's my makes. Tomorrow's movie is Frozen. Or no, I'm wrong. Tomorrow's movie is The Ghost Train on YouTube, and I will try to put the link directly to the movie in the description box, so you just got to click on that to watch it if you want to watch it, but it's called Frozen. So there's that. We've not been up to much, but we are going camping this weekend. Even if I feel crummy, I'm getting out of the house and I'm going, because I think a few days away from home will be good. So yeah, I think that's it. I talked about the monsters and the bat. I will link them. I gotta search for their... I've been working on a lot of different stuff. So now I got Happy Mail, Happy Mail. I got Happy Mail. Hey, I ain't done that in a while, huh? So I know who this is from. This is from Ray's Yarn Addiction. She had decided to bless me by doing a tour de fleece. I will link her down below, as well as I will link Ray, as well as... Oh, I gotta talk about this. Hold on, Ray. Sorry. This is the Silent Night Cowl, and it's not as big as I wanted it. But this, if you'll remember, is the yarn that Cindy sent me, that beautiful ice yarn. And I thought I was like, I gotta have the perfect thing. And so yesterday was Heather the Crochet Witch's birthday, and this is her tutorial called the Silent Night Cowl, and I love it. Do I wish I had 2 more little donuts of that? Yes, I do, because it would be better, bigger, but it is beautiful. The tutorial is so easy to follow. I am going to link her and her tutorial down below. I love this, and it's so squishy soft, and I'm so tempted to try to order some ice yarn, but I'm not going to. But oh my gosh, it's wonderful. I'm going to make another one of these in a different yarn so I can make it bigger. But happy late birthday, Heather. I did tell her happy birthday yesterday, but happy birthday, Heather. Please go and check her channel out. I'm sure you know who she is, but if you don't, like I said, she'll be down below. She is one of my participants in the 100 Days of Halloween, and all of them are linked down below. But it was her birthday yesterday, and I will put the tutorial to this. Please go try it. It was awesome. I love it. And yeah, if it was a little bigger, like I can put it up like this, but I would rather it be bigger because it's not covering the back of my neck this way. So, okay. Now to do the happy mail. So she was going to bless me with Tour de Fleece. She'd asked me what colors, so I knew I was getting that. Then I won her giveaway. And Ray is a wonderful friend of mine, and I do love her. Please go check her out. Now, on to the goodies. Let's see, is there a card? Yes, there's a card. Aw, made with love. Hi, Aniva. Congrats on your win of the Tour de Fleece Colorway Fireweed. I hope you enjoy it. Bella helped me name your yarn. Neva Ween contains merino, yak, Neva Ween. I love that, and I love Bella. I'll link Bella from Bella's Crochet Creations down below also. Tusa silk, mulberry silk, rose, Angelina Metallica thread. Hope you enjoy, Ray. Okay, so there's that. Now, what's in the little organza bag is some tea. I do love tea. Maybe I'll have a cup of tea tonight. Sweet honeydew melon. Oh, that sounds delicious. I've never had that one. Nor have I had elderflower citrus. I love the Stash brands, the flavors they have. I believe I'll be trying this one tonight. The sweet honeydew melon. Thank you, Ray. Now, let's see what else is in here. Oh, it's a cute little stitch marker. Oh, it's waves. I am a Pisces, so I believe that's what that is. Or is it? No, it's waves. I think so. Okay.
Can you hold it up by your face? Because it wasn't focusing up close.
Well, it's not going to really focus here either, babe.
Yeah.
Is it focusing?
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Okie dokie.
Let me put that back in the bag.
Pretty tiny.
Yes, very tiny. Let's see. I got another pearls hook. It says, let me out. How did you know I wanted one of these? It's the solar flare. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Look, guys. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. That's a beautiful orange. Oh, it makes me think of fire. I love it.
It's awesome.
Thank you. Okay, there's a lot of stuff stuck in here. Oh, Baby Organic. She sent me some baby cotton that I have no idea what I make. I've got some yellow that I had put in a... It was in a Santa sack? I can't remember. What should I make out of... What would 3 balls of this make, y'all? It's got... I don't want to take it out till I'm ready to use it. But it has 180 yards in each. So 3 times 180 is 300. About 500, I believe. A little over 500 yards. Maybe a baby dress? I don't know. I never know what to make with like baby yarn, except for baby stuff. Like, I could try to make some tiny amigurumis, but then I gotta have more colors than the red. I do have yellow, yeah, but red and yellow, what the world do you make with red and yellow? Okay, now this one. No, you know what? Since I've seen this one on her channel, we'll open this one. And then the other one is a big... She kept saying, do you want me to show you? I was like, no, I want to be surprised. She tempted me. I was good, guys. I kept saying, no, you can ask her. I was a good girl. Oh, this is beautiful, you guys. Now, this is It's merino wool spun by Ray, and it's, look at the pinks and the greens, and it's roving, and I love that, and I love to work with wool. I gotta find me a pattern. Oh, no. Ray saves hers from people, and I do save it for a little while, and then I make something special out of it that I know I'm gonna wear. And so could this be a silent night, Cowl?
Listen to it and see what it tells you. It wants to be when it grows up.
It has a fireweed is what it's called. I think this is just beautiful, and
I love that name.
Just like the yarn that Cindy sent me, told me what it wanted to be. This will for sure. Oh, and I've got to show y'all. I don't know where she gets her packing thingies, but I need some. They have the moons and all that good stuff on it, and I absolutely love them. I love stuff to do with astrology and the planets and the earth. Okay, and this was this cool organza bag. I like organza bags. I gotta put that one back in there for now. Now this one, I'm gonna try. Oh, okay. I don't want to get the scissors out. I'm gonna try to give y'all a peek before I get a peek, if I can. Oh no, it's real dark in there. Let me see. Let me pull it out.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. She asked me what I wanted, and I said I wanted orange and green, and this is absolutely stunning. And it sparkles, y'all. It sparkles. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, this is so squishy soft. This one is nice, but this one, oh, I can feel like the silk in it. Wow. Look at that color. You did such a great job. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Neva Ween. I love it. Now see this one's going to have to hang around for a while. That one's beautiful, and it's made by Ray. But this one was made especially for me. She asked me my colors, and it's named after me, and I love it. Oh my God, I love it. Okay, now that I'm done squishing yarn, thank you, Ray. Thank you, Bella, for helping her name it. Thank you, Heather, for such a magnificent pattern tutorial, and happy late birthday again. Stay spooky, y'all. I will catch you tomorrow. Be good. I'll try to remember to link everything down below. There's a lot to link this video. Stay spooky, and remember, the movie tonight is Frozen on YouTube.
You sure it was Frozen?
No, not Frozen. It was The Ghost Train on YouTube.
There we go.
It'll be linked down below. The Ghost Train on YouTube. There you go. I will link that down below. Like I said, there's a lot to link this time.